Qingdao SOSN Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of woodworking machinery and have been in this line for many years. SOSN main products are CNC router, computer beam saw, panel saw, edging bending machines. Also has a long-time cooperative partners factory for other furniture making machines, like sanding machines, drillers, vacuum press, hot and cold press machines, dust collectors. For each set of machine, we have a quality check department to test the machines running before sending to our customers. They are experts in the field of woodworking machinery, and because of these, we can promise the good working and stable of our machines for each customers. Good price, trust quality, and reliable service are the main 3 points we can promise. And based on these, SOSN brand machines get really good feedbacks from the customers over the whole world. Right now, we have over 70 agents around China market and others agents like in Russia, South America, Africa, East Asia, and many other countries. And we pay more and more attention to foreign markets. During these 5 years, we start to take part in foreign exhibitions in many countries, like a famous one, Legan exhibition in Germany, woodworking machinery exhibition in Atlanta. You are welcome to our factory for checking and testing. SOSN woodworking machinery is the best choice for your factory.